Let's learn and grow. L. L is for lion. Let's draw it. Now, let's color it. In the eyes, we will add a bit of orange. Then we will use a combination of orange and brown for the fur and rest of the body of our lion. Pink in the ears, brown for the shadows and dark areas, now light green for the small plants, and shades of brown on the ground. At the last, we will blend the colors to give them a smooth finish. Our drawing is looking really nice. The lion is so majestic. Thank you for watching. For more videos like this, please see links in description. And please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.